spot test strips give you a lot more than the standard test strip in detail. And they have very simple instructions, but there are some tricks to these. So let's get into it. Now, what I want to keep track of is the alkalinity, the pH, the chlorine, and then I love that this also has cyanuric acid. And this has the bonus of giving you cyanuric acid, which is really helpful to have. Now, to use these, stick them in for a second, and this is the main trick. Once you stick them in, you have to have it sit horizontally for 15 seconds. And I have noticed that once I tip it upright, it will lose the coloring. So you really only can use it in that first viewing. But then it's really clear, it's really easy to match up. You can see here my tub is really off, and I love that it gives me more specific numbers so I have a better idea of where I'm at.